Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. How you guys doing? So I'm back again to another reaction video to the group EXO, to the music video to the song Obsession. I do like that song because that song is on my Spotify track list that I listen to. Give it to me, boys. I want it, 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 Come on, visuals. Hotel. I don't think so. 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 Oh. That's my favorite part is the chorus. I don't think so. They better show their muscles. I want it, I want it, I want to, I want to, come on, I want it, I want to. Oh, that was nice. Oh, I like those, the red lights, that's so cool. Oh, come on with the edits. Beso, Anna beso, Anna beso, Anna beso, Anna beso. I don't think so. I don't think so. Oh. I want to. Oh, that was so cool. Oh, love it. Come through, welcome. Wait, so? I don't think so. 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 Ah. Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. Oh. I want to. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, God, look at that body. Come through a gym routine. And oh, God, America would never. America would never. These boy bands over here, please. That was EXO perform music video to the song Obsession. I really do like it. Korean and J-pop, I can't. Japanese and Korean, I can't do it. I want to say thanks to the person who recommended react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I do know EXO. Oh, believe me, I know this group. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.